This is We Should All Be Millionaires, a woman's guide to earning more, building wealth, and gaining economic power by Rachel Rodgers, available in paperback. In this book, Rachel Rodgers shares her journey as an attorney, business owner, and self-made millionaire, along with the lessons she's used to help hundreds of women grow their income and build wealth. The focus is on shifting your mindset around money and creating a clear, practical path toward higher earnings and long-term financial growth. One of the key themes is that earning more money isn't selfish. It's about creating options, stability, and impact. The book challenges traditional financial advice and encourages readers to think bigger when it comes to income goals. Instead of focusing only on cutting small expenses, it emphasizes strategies for increasing revenue and making confident financial decisions. You'll also find discussions about historical barriers to wealth building, practical approaches to raising your income, and exercises designed to help you move from simply getting by to building real economic power. If you're interested in personal development, entrepreneurship, or expanding your earning potential,